how to reset iPhone to sell. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you do a factory reset to your iPhone for the selling purpose. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings on your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here you'll have to just firstly check your iPhone storage for the backup. So simply tap on the general option, and now from here you'll have to go the option iPhone storage. Alright, so simply from here you can know your application or photos for the iPhone storage. So from here you can easily know that what backup or what devices will be need for the backup for that iPhone. So after you confirm it, you'll have to just back from here, and from the general section you'll have to just swipe down at the bottom and go the options like transfer or reset iPhone. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from this section you'll be able to do factory reset. So for that you'll have to just tap on the option erase all content and settings. So simply tap on it. Alright, so after you see this interface, from here you can know that after you erase the phone, you'll be able to sign out your Apple ID and remove your personal data. So this iPhone can be easily traded in or given away. So from here you can know that following item will be safely removed from this iPhone. So apps and data, your Apple account, find my location, your wallet, your eSIM. So after you confirm it, you'll have to just tap on the continue, and after you tap on that option, you'll be able to see a pop-up options like you want to set a backup on your new phone. So from there, if you want to do a backup, you will have to just tap on the share icon, and from there you can easily transfer the data of your iPhone to your new phone. So in this way you can do a factory reset to sell your iPhone. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.